In the heart of the vast Saragatha jungle, where the sun painted golden rays over emerald leaves, lived two mighty beasts, Rasa, the golden-maned lion, and Vero, the striped and silent tiger. Though they ruled different parts of the jungle, their names echoed in fear and respect among all the animals. But Rasa and Vero had never met. Each thought the other a rival. One dry season, when the rivers shrank and food became scarce, trouble brewed. The herds had moved, the birds had flown, and even the monkeys chattered of leaving. It was during this time that Raza wandered north in search of water, and so did Vero, wandering south. They met at a single shrinking pond in the center of the jungle. They locked eyes. The wind stilled. Raza growled, "This land is mine." Vero replied calmly, "I do not fight over puddles." But pride stirred in the lion's chest. "Do you fear me, tiger?" The tiger flicked his tail. "I fear no beast, but I fear hunger."